Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about Sustainable Development Goal 3, which is good health and well-being. So, SDG 3 aims to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all people of all ages. Health is not just about not being sick. So, according to Global Health Principle, good health means complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So, this means being healthy in our body, mind, and relationship with others. So, before I start, there's a quote of my infographic. So, good health is not just the absence of illness, it is complete physical, mental, and social well being. So, guys, what is SDG 3? So, it promotes both physical and mental health. So, second is it works to reduce preventable deaths, especially among mothers and children. So third is it ensures access to quality healthcare services. So lastly, it supports well-being for everyone from infants to senior citizens. So the goal is simple. No one should no one should be left behind when it comes to healthcare. Next is the key facts. There's a key facts about mental health and good well-being. So, looking at the key facts, millions of children still die each year from diseases uh, pre- that could have been prevented. Then, many mothers do not have access to safe childbirth care, especially in rural areas. Then next is vaccines alone prevent around 2 to 3 million deaths every year. This shows how important immunization programs are. Then another major is mental health. So mental health conditions are increasing worldwide. Yet many people are still afraid to talk about them or seek help. So that's the role of SDG 3. SDG 3. The role of SDG 3 is encourages awareness and support for mental health just as much as physical health. Then systems are supported by public hospitals, vaccinations program, clean water initiatives, medical researchers, and insurance providers. So all of this work together together to improve people's lives. Then let's talk about global and cultural relevance. Globally and culturally, health challenges still exist. Many rural areas lack hospitals and proper medical facilities. Then some communities rely on traditional medicine because professional healthcare is not easily accessible. Then poverty also limits access to proper treatment, medicine, and nutritious food. So there's a call to action. So now what can we do as individuals? So first is we can exercise regularly to to keep our bodies strong. Then next is we can eat balanced and nutritious meals. Then next is we can practice proper hygiene to prevent diseases. Then next is we can support mental health by checking on our friends and speaking up when we need help. Then the most importantly, we can get vaccinated to protect ourselves and others. So guys, remember, healthy people create a productive and strong economy. So when people are healthy, they can study well, work efficiently, and contribute positively to society. So, in conclusion, SDG 3 reminds us that health is basic human rights. Achieving good health and well-being requires cooperation from governments, healthcare workers, communities, and individuals like us. So, guys, let's do our part to build a healthier world for everyone. That's all. Thank you for listening.